In Macon County, Illinois, police officers make a routine traffic stop. What happens next? And the wild accusation is anything but routine.
You just pulled my out, bro.
Your windows work? You can open the door. Your windows. Yeah. See your windows work?
No, it doesn't, clearly.
Okay, I don't know that. Normally people roll their windows down.
Well, mine don't. I'm pressing the button. You can see. What am I getting pulled over for?
Your window tint. You have your license and insurance. It doesn't matter. You entered here from the roadway.
Well, I have to find my first.
What's going on, man?
Nothing's going on. What is y'all picking for?
License and insurance.
Okay, give me a second.
The windows. Oh, that one goes down.
Insurance.
License.
Okay, I have a license. My
You have your ID,
valid.
sir?
Do you have an ID on you? Y'all don't have to speak to him.
I need his ID. He doesn't have a seatbelt on. I need his ID.
We're in a parking lot, dude.
I saw you drive up here.
When? Because I just was sitting there.
Yeah, I know. I was pulled in behind you.
No, you wasn't. Because I was in the drive-thru, and then I parked for a second, and then y'all came.
Hey, I'm not going to have the argument with you.
Police brutality.
Not police brutality.
I don't have an ID.
Window down. What's your name?
For what reason?
You don't have your seatbelt on. Do you not have a license?
Call a sergeant now.
Okay.
Sergeant now.
Okay.
Call a sergeant now.
Are you the registered owner?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see that when you're in the plate.
Okay.
I can order you out of the vehicle anytime on a lawful traffic stop. Pennsylvania versus Mims, U.S. Supreme Court. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
I need you out of the car.
You don't get to demand when we do things. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car, man.
The U.S. Supreme Court says you do. The U.S. Supreme Court says you do. Pennsylvania versus Mims. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
In the case the officer refers to here, Pennsylvania versus Mims, the Supreme Court ruled that an officer may request anyone to exit the vehicle on a traffic stop since it is a minimal and reasonable intrusion on suspects that have been lawfully stopped by the police.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. We're gonna break this window if you don't open the door.
You're touching me.
Don't reach.
Ow, God, ow, ow, you have a body cam on. Ow, 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 ow.
Hey,
ow,
watch his hands. I'm gonna break the window.
And I'm gonna break your bro, this is not fair.
Tell him come now.
Open the door. Gonna break the window if you don't open the window.
Yes, they're trying to break my stuff.
Hey, he hit me in my face. He just hit me in my face.
He's hitting us.
There's no reason for me to get out of the car.
Yeah, no seatbelt on. Get out of the car.
You guys have body cams on, bro.
Yep.
It's on video.
Yep.
Right, it's on video. There's no reason for this.
This vehicle was on the roadway. This was a lawful traffic stop. But we watched you on the roadway.
I just broke the door out of the car. Get out. What the fuck? Out.
Turn around.
For what?
On your stomach.
For what? For what? Stop. Get on your face. What are you doing?
Ow, you stupid. You hit me in my face. I'm pressing charges.
Do whatever you want when we're done.
Give me my phone, please.
Call Sergeant.
Make it 28. We can get 2 cages.
Call Sergeant.
Roll over on your side so you can breathe. Roll over on your side.
I don't want to roll over on my side. I'm on my back.
I'm telling you to roll over on your side.
Get a good pat down. Make sure
I don't have anything on me.
That's fine. I gotta double check. What's your name?
Come on, dude. You have a body cam. Right.
Yeah.
You just pulled my out, bro. Here. You can see right. You can see my underwear. Right.
Yeah, I can search you.
There, I got him. I'm not going nowhere.
I don't know.
Hey, can you call a sergeant? Can you call a sergeant?
We'll be going to jail. You can talk to him there.
Why, for what?
For resisting arrest.
Resisting arrest? Why was I under arrest?
Because you're obstructing.
How?
Because you wouldn't get out of the car and you didn't have a seatbelt on. You wouldn't identify
You
yourself.
told me to roll down the window. I rolled down the window. Then y'all started reaching in.
We told you to get
Can
out.
you call a sergeant now?
Not happening.
No.
He's right here. Cadence is right here.
Do anything, Dad.
How's it going, sir?
Dad, I was parked by the white Ford Fusion. I pulled out and they pulled me over. I wasn't even on the road.
We weren't.
They're lying. You go to McDonald's cameras. They're lying. They're lying.
How's it going? So I made the stop. So we had been following the vehicle. They did pull in here. They were going to leave. We decided to make a traffic stop. She stops right here.
No, he's lying, Dad. Do not believe
It's all on camera.
I'll stick him in your car for the time being. Ma'am, can you run inside and get a manager and ask them for the camera footage, please?
We got really good cameras, buddy.
So you saw us go around. There's a witness. I need her statement. Y'all done spotted me down I don't know how many times, bro.
Well, I
don't need a...
You do need a seatbelt. You didn't have your seatbelt on in the car, so we're gonna put it on in this car.
Ask him to identify himself, ask him to get out of the car. He refuses, tries to roll the windows up, resists with deputies. When that started happening, that's when she kind of freaked out. Up until that point, she was okay.
So how did she get out of the car?
Who?
Did you drag her out of the car?
They got her out of this side after we got him out of the car. He was our main focus.
So what are you pulling her over for? Tinted windows?
Yeah.
Pull me over. I got tinted windshield.
Right.
They also failed the signal at like north.
I don't care. You can pull me over for tinted windows. That's what you
Right.
just said.
Okay, if that's your opinion on the situation, that's fine.
But there's
I'm just telling
a
you.
million other cars around. Look, he's got tinted windows.
Okay. And normally everyone else identifies themselves and gives us insurance. I'm just explaining to you how it went. Now, if you don't agree with it,
But
I can't argue that.
people out. I mean,
Well, no, I asked them to get out of the car for several minutes before it escalates to
never
that.
asked me to get out the car.
Like I said, we all have cameras on.
I understand.
It is what it is.
Go get McDonald's
So,
videos
what's the
right
deal with her?
now.
She escalated things.
Well, because she's
He
pissed.
broke my door.
Right.
Y'all are paying for that.
Bug, stop.
No, I'm pissed.
Can I get a sergeant?
Like I said, you could talk to him when you get to the jail.
What am I going to jail for?
Resisting, obstructing.
How did I resist? I rolled down the window.
When the police say identify yourself,
I do not have to by
Yes,
Illinois
you
State
do.
Constitution.
Yes, you do. You
by
need to
the
go
federal
back- you need to-
Constitution. I do
The
not have to
federal
identify.
Constitution.
Yes, I do not have to disclose any information to you.
When you're breaking the law, you
We didn't
have
break
to
the law. We
you
just-
didn't have a seatbelt on.
I didn't get a second to even move, bro. Can you listen to this? It's too tight.
It's not too tight.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is, bro. It's literally choking me. I have heart problems.
It's not.
Seatbelt.
You talking? You've got 8 inches in
tight as
between.
hell.
You got 8 inches in between the back of you
I can't. I got
and the
cuffs
front.
on, dude. How do you expect me
Get
to
here
sit
for a
back and I
minute,
got
I'll be
cuffs on?
Mercy.
So what's happening with her?
Well, the male for sure, but I believe so. The other two detectives were dealing with her, but I'm assuming when they asked her to get out of the car, she resisted, obstructed. So we're gonna go down to the law enforcement center and sort it all out.
Thank you.
Is what we're gonna do.
Yep. Hey, we're gonna get your feet underneath them. You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep. You gonna pull her over there, Rose?
Yep.
I didn't even do it.
Stay right there. Are you on any kind of medication or drugs or anything?
No, I'm pregnant.
You know how easy this could be if you just would have unlocked the door
I did.
and did exactly what they told you to do?
pulled me over for no reason. I just pulled out
See
the
those
parking
tinted
lot.
windows? They're entirely too dark to be driving with.
Can you please get the hair out my face? It's all in my
I'm not gonna do that because you just spit all over your hair.
And I just saw my hair, dude. I'm getting a lawsuit out of y'all. I hate all of you. I hope all of you die.
You're not on any kind of medication
No,
or
bro,
drugs or anything?
no. Does it look like it?
It really
Get a
does
fucking-
look like it.
No.
You need to calm down.
Can you get the hair out my face, please?
Okay, but you need to calm down. Yelling at them ain't gonna get you. You need to calm down.
All right, let's go over this
gonna
way. I
make it any
appreciate you, sir.
I'll come get you, but you gotta just chill out.
I'll just have her hang out here until she can get searched by whoever's coming. You want to stand by with her? I'll help
Can
you
you-
guys out.
Court records indicate the female, Cadence, was charged with resisting arrest and obstruction of justice, while the male, Octavius, was also charged with resisting and obstruction as well. They are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Mercy.